Are you thinking of creating some extra money, some extra streams of income along with your full-time job as a career woman, a nurse like myself, a teacher, a pharmacist, a social worker, or maybe you're a single mom, or maybe you're a stay-at-home mom? Well, I have 5 passive income ideas that you can start up right now in the comfort of your home, so you can hear that ching ching sound in your sleep, the notification telling you that you have received a payment from one of these passive sources of income. Now let's jump right into the video. Hey, trendsetters, welcome back to the channel where we explore different ways of making money online, and we explore different paths to create your financial freedom journey. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, because we have tons of free and easy strategies just like this one to help you to create your financial freedom journey. Now let's dive into the 5 passive income ideas that you can start right now. And you just need some skills and experience to start these. They're not that difficult. Trust me, you can do this. Now, the first one we're going to look into is to create digital products. And I've done a video on how to create your digital product. I'll leave it right up here so you can go ahead and explore. First of all, you need to know who you're serving, the problem you're solving while you're creating this digital product. And these digital products can be from templates like financial templates, worksheets, cheat sheets, checklists. There are a wide variety of different digital products that you can create, even an ebook. I also did a video on how you can create your ebook. So there is a wide range of different types of digital products. And the tools and resources that you will need to create your digital product, my go-to tool is using Canva. And the next tool that I advise always when to give you ideas on your digital products is using AI such as ChatGPT. ChatGPT and Canva is like a match made in heaven. So it doesn't have to be that challenging to start creating your digital product. And of course, you're going to need a website to sell your digital product. My recommendation is always Shopify. I've had a Shopify store in the past before, and I find Shopify so easy to use. I will put a link in the description for you to check out Shopify, right? And the next thing, you will have to learn how to market and promote that digital product. So you will have to hop onto social media. You can use your Instagram, your Facebook, your YouTube channels. You can use several means of marketing and promoting your digital product. Now, one thing when it comes on to digital products, to start selling and seeing that money, to get at least $100 per day, you have to have an audience while you're creating this digital product, because you don't want to create something and it sits there and it's not selling. So try to build up an audience around the niche that you're interested in so that you can start creating these products that niche that audience is asking for, and they'll be happy to purchase it from you. So that's the first one. And as we go into passive income streams, they will say passive income, you don't have to do anything, it's money coming in. But be mindful that with passive income, you have to do some upfront work to set that foundation. So say, for example, this digital product that you'll be creating, you have to find the time to create this product, and you have to be consistent in marketing and promoting this product. So yes, of course, you're going to hear that ching notification from your phone telling you that one of your ebook was just sold, but you have to find the time to create it and to market it. But money will be coming in into your sleep. That's what we call passive income. Number 2 is to start a podcast. That is your second stream of passive income source. Have you heard of the Side Hustle Pro? Man, this girl, I think she is Nikayla. I've been following her for a while on Instagram, and I just noticed that she hit 10 million downloads. And she started her podcast in her room, in a little closet space she made up in her bedroom, right? Starting a podcast around side hustle. So if you're gifting, if you have that nice podcast voice, and you like to talk and you like to do interviews, advise people, educate, or even entertain, think about starting a podcast. And you can use this even with your phone to start a podcast. So it's not that hard. App that you might need is Riverside. I've seen several recommendations for using Riverside. I've never started a podcast before. This is one of the side hustles I've never tried before, but there is Riverside that you can use to record, edit, and upload your podcast. So go and check out Nikela. I'll leave her information here. Go check her out on Instagram. She's called the Side Hustle Pro, and she is doing the thing when it comes on to podcasting as a passive stream of income online. Number 3, the third way of creating a passive stream of income is affiliate marketing. And you know, I'm always talking about this here on this YouTube channel. I've done a video on how you can start your affiliate marketing, and I'll leave it right somewhere up here, right? And one of the popular affiliate marketing sources is Amazon. You can create your Amazon affiliate, Amazon associates. You can do Amazon on-site commission where you review videos. If you're interested in learning more about that, let me know in the comments so that I will do a video walking you through how to set up your Amazon affiliate program, right? So, and not only Amazon, there is also Impact. I use Impact. If you see in my descriptions, the links that I put in, that's what we call affiliate marketing. So if you have a YouTube channel, if you have a TikTok, if you have Instagram, you see those girlies these days, they're showing you things, they're unboxing, they're dressing up. So whether your niche is in beauty, fashion, food, education, entertaining, home decor, there's a wide variety of different niches that you can tap into when it comes on to affiliate marketing. And this again requires some work because you have to keep promoting these links, right? But as I said, the money will be coming in while you're sleeping. You hear that ching notification, or when you wake up and you go on your affiliate website platforms, you'll see where someone has used that link to make a purchase, and you will get a commission from those affiliate links. And before we get to the fourth way of creating a passive stream of income, if you're enjoying this video, please hit the like button so that other women who are interested in creating a source of passive income will see this video also. And that helps me to know that you're interested in these types of videos so that I can create more of these types of videos for you. Now, let's go into the next way of creating passive income stream. And this is by creating online courses. These are somewhat form of digital products also because it's online, right? So if you have a specific niche, you have a specific target audience, you can create an online course. You put it on Teachable. My recommendation is always Teachable because I've used Teachable in the past, and I'm currently using Teachable with my coaching programs. So you can create an online course, whether you're educating someone, you're teaching something, you put it up on Teachable and you market and you promote it. So this one is a perfect example of that passive income stream, right? And with this one, it's not that hard. You just need to find the time to sit down and to write down all the different information, the chapters, the topics, and the information that you want to put into the course, right? What is the transformation that your client will receive after purchasing and after going through this online course? And I've also done a video of how you can create your online course, breaking down from the beginning to the end, right? So you can go check out that video. I'll leave it somewhere here. And online course can be very lucrative because you can sell your online course from like $47 to as much as like $1,000, right? So with this one, it can be very lucrative from the beginning. Once you have the audience, once you market, and once you promote, you can be getting money in your sleep, right? And the last passive income idea is no other than YouTube. You know, YouTube is my favorite source of passive income, but be mindful, YouTube can be tricky. you can start making money from as little as a few months to a few years when it comes down to YouTube. So YouTube requires some work. It requires consistency. It requires discipline, right? For example, for myself, I've been doing YouTube for 2 years and I just recently got monetized like shortly before hitting that 2 years. I think it was like 1 year and maybe like 10 months, 8 months, something like that. But I've done a video on my first YouTube paycheck. You can go check it out. But look at so many YouTubers. They are the one that motivates me. They inspire me to keep going. I've watched Ali Abdul. He has been he was a doctor who is now like has like several million YouTube subscribers. I've seen Journey with the Hintons. She's a nurse and now she has like over 1 million subscribers. I've seen so many different YouTubers that are just progressing, that are keep going, they're going. But the thing is, YouTube, as I said, YouTube can be tricky. Sometimes it just requires that one video to go viral for you to get that 1,000 subscriber and that 4,000 watch hours. Again, for me, it took me almost 2 years to get my first YouTube paycheck. But I like it. And when it comes down to creating additional streams of income, passive income streams, or even side hustles, you have to find something that you are really passionate about. Because if you're not passionate about it, and if you're not excited about it, and if you don't like doing it, then when that money it's not building up as it, you're gonna feel demotivated and you're going to feel the need to stop, right? But once you're passionate about it, once you enjoy doing it, you have to think about a side hustle or a passive stream of income is, what if I'm not getting paid for this thing? Will I do it? Or even if you win $1 million, will you still be doing YouTube? And for me, that's a yes, because I like teaching, I like guiding, and I like educating people. I like sharing experiences. So YouTube is one of those passive incomes that can be unpredictable and can feel as if it's not worth it at times, but with discipline, with consistency, and if that's your passion, teaching, guiding, educating, entertaining, or helping others, then YouTube is a passive income stream for you. And with YouTube, again, you can pad different passive incomes within YouTube, like affiliate market, like your digital course, like your online courses. So you can do several things with YouTube, padding it under. Once you find the right niche, the right audience, you are on a roll with YouTube. I've done several YouTube videos, from filming to editing to my first YouTube paycheck. So you can go check out my YouTube playlist that I'll leave right here. And thank you so much for sticking to the end, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.